In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add photo widget to the home screen on any iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to long press somewhere here at a blank space at any of your home screen. That will activate this mode, and now we need to tap right here at this plus button. After that, in this pop-up, we need to select Photo Widget. To search for this widget, just scroll down and it may look like that widget here. So you can just tap right here in order to add this widget to the home screen. However, if for some reason it doesn't show you the widget in that way, then just keep scrolling down until you find the option Photos, then get into it, and from here we can easily choose any widget we want to put to our home screen. There are two different categories, featured and album, and in each category we can choose from 3 widget sizes. If you want the widget to show specific photos, then I recommend you to select album. I'm gonna choose that size, and now to put this widget to the home screen, I'm going to tap right here. Now, guys, to configure this widget we need to tap on it once, and here we can easily change the album. The default option here is favorites, so it will show here right there on the home screen some random picture from your favorites album. However, here we can easily select a different album. We can select one of smart albums here, like favorites and portrait, and also we can choose different album from here. Let's say I'm gonna choose that one, and that's how it can be easily done. And also you can go to the Photos app, then to Albums, and that's where by typing right here at this plus you can create new album just like that. Just give it a name like test, and then I'm gonna enter some random letters here. To save it, just hit right here, and now it allows us to add multiple photos to that album. Here we can choose photos in that way simply by selecting them just like that. As you can see here, I've chosen 15 photos, and then I'm gonna hit add to add all of them to the album I've recently created. After that, to change album here in our widget, we need to long press on it, then hit edit widget, then we need to tap right there, and after that from this list we can choose our new album, and that's how it can be easily done. And that's basically how we can easily add and configure photo widget on our iPhone home screen. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.